Howdy.
Hello. Hi, guys. Thanks for waiting.
Sure thing.
She just has a brief statement. If you have any questions, we'll take questions afterwards.
I'm just very happy and relieved by the judge's ruling. I have no doubt in my mind that it was the right decision, and I want to thank the state very much for all of their hard work and their efforts to get us to this point. Thank you.
Thank you, Nicole.
Any questions?
What do you think made the difference, the reason the judge granted no bond as opposed to actually having a bond out there?
Well, I think he looked at the video and took the conclusions to himself that, it's a difficult case for a defense. That he had really no reason to do what he did.
You're concerned about an appeal?
I think everyone kind of has to be, right? You gotta understand that he's going to want to try every effort he can to get out.
Did you ever have any notion in the world this thing would go on for almost 2 days?
Stephen, you want to answer?
No. I think we all recognize that they were going to take their time about what they did and present probably more than you would normally ever see in a bond hearing. I don't think anybody thought it was going to go quite this long, at least not till 7 o'clock the other night, I guess.
Right.
Defense attorney said, look at that tape and import of all of us to get experts to look at it, and it shows very clearly that it was a self-defense. Your opinion of that?
I've seen the tape multiple times, and truthfully, I don't see where he's coming from at all. I don't see the self-defense. I see an overreaction. I see him, and these are, of course, all my own opinions, okay? But he has an overreaction. He has something that he escalated to something that he didn't need to do. As witnesses testified, this was something that was not even worth an alert, and then he took it to the level that he took it at for absolutely no reason. So I don't see defense, I see offense.
Nicole, does this just give you a sense of, can you rest a little bit easier at night?
Nicole's not going to be taking any questions right now, but I think that conclusion is an obvious one. I think she definitely feels a lot better about this, just in general, that this guy doesn't get to spend time with his family, just like she doesn't get to spend time with Chad.
Was there a cell phone thrown, do we know? Have you seen that on the video?
That I can't answer, and it would just be strictly my speculation and opinion, but I can't answer that question. Any other questions?
What's next for you guys?
It's actually what's next for the state, right?
Yeah.
So it's the pretrial hearing on the 12th of March, and then potential motion practice from the defense and the state. So.
Are you guys moving ahead with civil action now, or are you going to wait until the criminal case is over? As I've discussed before, we are guiding her through the criminal process at this point, and as far as civil claims, I'm not here to discuss strategy, and we will discover and investigate all claims that she potentially may have or may not have. But at this point, we're just concentrated on the criminal trial.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Good weekend.
Good weekend.